Yeah, the opposition party in Jamaica commits to naming Bob Marley as the eighth national hero if them
Yeah,
win.
man, big up the Deep Roots TV. Caution, say so.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youth. Yeah, you're watching
Rasta
Deep Roots.
transportation, you know. Rasta transportation
Yeah,
to
Deep
the
Roots
world.
TV, you know.
Tell
I
the
love
little
you
boys
boys
and
Deep
girls.
Roots TV.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Yeah, man. See real
Yeah, me
roots,
give
them,
him a
man.
look
The
at
real
intro now.
roots.
Yeah, greetings. Yeah, and salutations to all nations. Yeah, especially Jamaicans. You know it's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. Build up the Rastaman channel. Because that's how we have to go do it right now, you know, one by one, you know. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Yeah, the opposition party of Jamaica, which is the PNP party, that Bob says that Jamaica will have its eighth national hero and reggae legend Bob Marley if People National Party forms the next government. The commitment was given Tuesday by the opposition leader Mark Golden as he made his contribution to the 2024-2025 bid debate in the Garden House. He said that the global icon Jamaican most famous son deserving such honor. One commitment that I have, which is in keeping with our seriousness about culture and creative industry, when we form the next government, I commit to confirming the Order of National Hero and the Honourable Robert Nesta Marley for his service in the most distinguished nature in advancing Jamaican culture and his global impact as a libertarian, liberating inspiration force and oppressed people across the world, Golden said in a rousing applause from the opposition bench. I say, time come to recognize the gang as a true national hero and confer the honor on him according, he added. Let me stop you so right now, people. Listen, we don't need golden nor bad mind Jamaicans to recognize the Rastaman, because the world has bestowed the world legend and the icon, the world legend, and the icon, the word legend, and the icon. Bob Marley is a world hero. Jamaica, uno are years too late. And the Rasta people them should burn uno on the face. Meanwhile, promising to further the cultural icon's reputation, the PNP government would focus on the creative industry, including increasing fund, and opposition leading commented on the Bob Marley One Love biop now in the theater. He said, speaking of the One Love phenomenon, now bowling like a natural mystic across the globe, showing us the culture and creative practitioner of being telling us for years, nurturing and growing the culture and creative industry, sports, and derived ecosystem are extremely important for the economic development and cultural identity of Jamaica. Golden said this required the funding and deliberate effort to drive these industries, which are two of the fastest growing across the economic activity in the world. He pointed out 234 million that is allocated to the budget of the Jamaica Screen Development Initiative, which he said the PNP endorsed, as well as the community that he committed to develop the Jam World and Fort Rock, a 24-hour entertainment zone. This, he said, was a start after many years of inaction. We commit that we are the government and we will properly prioritize the particulars developing in the master plan, comprising a comprehensive policies and legislation framework to support the incentives, culture, and creative industry of sport. In this plan, we address investment and financial education training, infrastructure development for culture and creative sport participation, said Golden. He lamented that existing infrastructure for the culture and creative industry and sports are falling apart island-wide. The Trelawney Sports Center, Independent Park, Catherine Hall, and Sabina Park, the Little Theatre, Ward Theatre, Val Royal, and the existing potential heritage site are disintegrated from neglect. How come? Change is surely needed, he said. Now, as Golden picks up Lisa Hanna suggestions from a couple of years ago, I want to make you know, say, both party on this particular topic and subject have dropped the ball. Both JLP and PNP, if you run away, because we still have Jamaicans thinking of Rasta as some little bum, dirty Rasta, bum dread. As the world has embraced Rastafari now, you should wipe the beam out your eye, as Jamaicans are finally coming around to respect or even seeming like they want to get on board. The natural mystic train, Bob Marley, worldwide legend. There's no other than the Emperor Haile Selassie, that in our modern era that has the accolades and the fame. So the legendary icon of the world, the soul rebel, the man that make you catch a fire, telling you about the natural mystic, Bob Marley, needs no recognition from the government of JLP and PNP, because you both have dropped the balls for decades now. It appears that Rasta have to basically bleed blood on the street for the government to recognize what Bob, Burning Spear, Garnet, Sizzler, Capitan, Wailing Soul, Third World, Inner Circle, Tony Rebel, all of them, Freddie McGregor, have done for the country in elevating it through the transportation of music. The natural mystic is still flowing in the air. The rebels are still rebelling in their soul. The people are still catching a fire, as Bob Marley shall never grow old. As the legendary world icon, our number one, maybe number two son behind the Honourable Marcus Garvey, still have not been honored in his home. As the saying say, go, a man won't be a king in his house. The legend Robert Nesta Marley, aka Bob Marley, don't need PNP or JLP to make him the 8th honorable, although the number is infamous with infinity, as the legendary king of reggae shall ride on the wings of love, as his words, one love, has made it into the same hymn note of the books of the people that would chastise Rastafari. Yes, I give thanks and praise that the world have opened their eyes. So with Mark Golden and the PNP, handing out an olive leaf to you and me, the world society already know the legendary Robert Nesta Marley is already a world hero. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if this is just a olive branch, an olive leaf, a little token, to get this system, have us calm or sedated. When Bob Marley is already a world iconic hero, here come the PNP and the JLP still scoring 0. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if Mark Golden saying Bob Marley becoming the 8th national hero will make a difference. or if you think that JLP have this election wrapped up. What do you think? Do you think we need a change in the political government, in the government in Jamaica today? As it's been reported, Jamaica, the land we love, we now put no other nation above. More life, more joy. Love from Florida right now. Big up all the people them in England. Big up people them in New York, Georgia. We are taking the YouTube. All of my African nation, I love you, I see you know. Bless up on yourself. All my Guyanese, more life and more joy. Yes, indeed.
I don't know, Deep Roots TV, and a big up and a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari, give thanks.